Good morning, 5th class. So today our topic is area, chapter number 17. As you can see in the figure, we are doing the chapter number 17, area. So before starting, first of all, let us discuss what is area. As you can see the definition of area on the green board. Definition: according to the definition, area is the space occupied by a flat surface or object. That means which amount of region is enclosed on in a flat surface or a shape is called its area. Now here are some formulas written on the board. These we will use when we will be solving the sums of the exercise 17.1. First of all, it is given there. Now you know very well what are the flat shapes or surfaces. So if we talk about flat shapes, we know it will include rectangle and square. So different shapes may have different ways to find the areas, and I have written here the formulas. You have to remember these formulas in order to find the area of different shapes. First of all, there is formula area of rectangle. As you know, there are two lengths and two breadths in a rectangle. So area of rectangle will be length multiply breadth. This is the standard formula for finding area of rectangle. Second is area of square, which is equal to side multiply side, because all the sides of a square is equal. So area of square is side multiply side. Now third formula is given of length. How we can find the length when the area and breadth are given? When in any question we are given with area and breadth and we need to find length, we will apply this formula that is written on the number 3. Length is equal to area divided by breadth. Similarly, if breadth is to be found and we are given with area and length, it will change accordingly. That is written on the number 4. Breadth is equal to area upon length. So let us discuss the region which is called area, that you can see in the picture, that the shaded region inside the rectangle. First the rectangle is made. Inside the rectangle, the shaded portion will be called as the area of the rectangle. And now if for example its length is 5 cm and breadth is 3 cm, then what will be the area? As we have done in the formula, area will be length multiply breadth. So area of this rectangle which is shown in the figure is 5 multiply 3, which is equal to 15 cm square. Area comes in always square units. So 15 cm square will be the answer. After that, let us come to the square. You can see all the sides are equal in the square, that is given 3 cm. And what is the formula? It is side multiply side, that will be 3 multiply 3. 3 multiply 3 is 9 cm square will be the area of square. So here we are starting with the exercise 17.1. So as you can see, first sum is given in the form of a table where length, breadth and area, the headings are length, breadth and area. And in the first sum, A part, we are given with the length 16 cm, breadth is 2 cm, and we need to find the area. There is blank given under the area column, so we need to find the area. And I have already told you the formula of finding area when length, breadth is given, that is length multiply breadth. It is written on the board, you can see length multiply breadth, 16 multiply 2 is equal to 32 cm square. In the second part, length is 10 cm, breadth is 8 cm. Again similarly, area will be length multiply breadth, that will be 10 multiply 8 is equal to 80 cm. In the C part, length is 12, breadth is not given, and area is 36 cm square given. And here we will use the third formula that I had written already on the board, that is breadth is equal to area divided by length. When breadth is not given, we are given with the area. Breadth is equal to area upon length. Area is 36, which will be divided by length, which is 12 cm. So after dividing, we will get 3 cm as breadth. Now next is length is 15, breadth is 2.5 cm. again area we need to find, that will be length multiply breadth, 15 multiply 2.5. Now 2.5 can be, it is a decimal number, we can write 2.5 as 25/10. After then 15 multiply 25 is equal to 375/10, 10 in the denominator, and when 10 is in the denominator we can write the number as 37.5 in decimal form. That will be our answer. Area is equal to 37.5 centimeters square will be the area. Now you have to revise all these sums and formula. Thanks to all of you.